Africa's vibrant economy is predominantly informal. People are producing goods and offering services. They're trading in cash. They're securing a living, building assets for their future, and of course, they're saving. Yet, financial service providers are struggling to profitably serve this thriving segment. Formal financial services reach more Africans than ever before. Between 2011 and 2014, almost 70 million more people living in sub-Saharan Africa reported having financial services. However, many of these accounts are infrequently used or even dormant. But why? Well, what it comes down to is how well financial service providers know the people they're trying to reach. Do they understand their needs? Do they understand their wants? Do they have the right information to viably design and deliver appropriate financial services for them? Traditional sources of data, which financial service providers rely on to make decisions on how to serve customers, are limited, especially when it comes to excluded Africa. The data stops short of capturing the vibrant informal markets, the unrecorded entrepreneurial initiative, the seemingly intangible. If financial service providers want to tap into this untapped market, they have to shift their way of thinking. It's a marketplace unlike any other, so you really need insights drawn specifically from the people who drive it. And those insights can be derived from alternative data sources. But what is alternative data, and how can it help? Well, data is everywhere. Every day, millions of pieces of information are collected from human experiences and interactions for reference or for analysis. This information, or data, gives us a better understanding of the people we're trying to service. Where do they live? How do they make a living? How do they interact with the world around them? Think about the information that can be gained from call detail records, which are generated every time someone uses their phone. This information is available on 420 million people living in sub-Saharan Africa and can be used to inform credit scores or even where to establish a rural agent network. Satellite imagery data covers the entire world and can provide insights into farmers' productivity and the risks that they face. And the ever-increasing adoption of social media platforms like Facebook means one can utilize that data to better understand customer behavior, sentiment, and preferences. Many alternative data sources can be used to solve a single problem, or one data source can be used to tackle multiple problems. If businesses adapt to using alternative data sources, they can unlock the potential of serving the people they couldn't see before. So, where to from here? Start by looking at the traditional data at your fingertips. What kind of data have you been collecting? Then look at alternative sources of data and the people or corporations you can collaborate with to get it. Data partnerships with data holders or the data science community could be mutually beneficial. You could also investigate governmental data, which is often freely available. Combining these data sources could give you a completely different perspective or a better idea of the bigger picture. But most importantly, using alternative data can help you better understand the needs and the wants of your biggest potential customers, Africa's excluded, and successfully enter their vibrant informal markets. The big question is, how are you going to use this alternative data to benefit your business? For more information on how these data sets have been applied, visit i2ifacility.org.